Finally, here's part 4 of our Dubai Chewy Cookie review series. TikTok Shop edition naman tayo. Mga chewy cookies na you can buy dito sa TikTok para less hassle sa delivery. At the end of the video, if may mga gusto kayong itry, check the comments or our bio to order sa TikTok Shop or baka meron din sa shop. Ito pala yung rankings namin from parts 1 to 3 in case di mo pa napapanood. 7 Dubai Chewy Cookies i-review natin for part 4, so let's start. First up, Serene Sweets Dubai Chewy Cookie. Maayos ang packaging nila, naka-air column bubble wrap and deep container kaya maayos yung itsura when we got them. Mas okay yung ganitong packaging pag through shipping para di kalat pag dumating sa buyers. Medyo maliit lang yung Dubai Chewy Cookie nila, pero I think sakto lang naman sa price. Bought these for 265 for 2 pieces, so nasa 132.50 per piece. Medyo may pagka-firm yung chewy cookie nila, tapos may pagka-grainy yung cocoa powder na they use, so walang kumakalat na powder. Di ganun ka-soft yung marshmallow shell nila, pero may stretch naman. Siksik yung filling kaya medyo firm siya to the touch. Andun yung crunch ng kataifi, pero di ganun ka-creamy yung filling, tapos subtle lang yung pistachio flavor. Bitin yung lasa niya for us. May mga kalasa siyang mga natikman na namin na Dubai Chewy Cookies. Parang same siguro ng gamit na pistachio cream. Overall, Serene Sweets Dubai Chewy Cookie was okay lang for us. Next is Yummy Bunnies Dubai Chewy Cookie. Maayos yung packaging, may bubble wrap din. Tapos bukod sa deep container ng chewy cookie nila, naka-individual wrapper pack. So maayos dumating sa amin yung chewy cookies. We got this for 269 for 2 pieces, so nasa 134.50 per piece. Pagbukas pa lang, kitang-kita na generous sa cocoa powder. Their Dubai Chewy Cookies soft, pero di stretchy yung marshmallow shell niya kahit na manipis siya. Di rin ganun kasiksik yung laman. Tama lang. May crunch from the kataifi and di ganun ka-creamy yung filling. Pero di rin naman dry. Nasa mid lang. In terms of flavor, di ko masyadong malasahan yung pistachio flavor. Sato lang. Yung lasa niya though, medyo maraming kapareho na feeling namin, baka same nga lang din ang ginagamit na pistachio cream. Yung parang mas lasam yung tamis versus yung pistachio and chocolatey flavor. So for that, we're giving Jammy Bunny DCC's an okay lang rating. Next up, Y&G Connections Dubai Chewy Cookie. Naka-bubble wrap yung container nila, tapos naka-double container siya, pero nagkabali-baliktad pa rin inside. Medyo natagalan yung delivery ng order namin sa kanila kahit kasabayan lang ng ibang in-order namin. Bought these for 380 for 3 pieces. Sakto lang yung size niya for its price. Medyo matigas yung marshmallow shell niya, tapos makapal, so may bite siya. Creamy yung filling, tapos ang sarap ng pagka-crunch ng kataifi. Lasang-lasa mo yung pistachio flavor, tapos may konting alat. Kitang-kita mo rin na may bits ng pistachios inside. Kasi dahil sa kapal ng marshmallow shell niya, ubus ko na yung filling, di ko pa tapos mangyayari yung shell. Na-overpower tuloy yung sarap ng filling. Kaya overall, we're giving Y&G Connections to Dubai Chewy Cookie a yummy B rating kasi masarap pa rin naman siya. Sunod natin ang Jessel's Dubai Chewy Cookie. Maayos yung tight yung packaging, so okay yung Dubai Chewy Cookies nila nung dumating. Bought these for 299 for 2 pieces, so nasa 149.50 per piece. Malit siya for us for its price. Maraming cocoa powder, then yung marshmallow shell, medyo di ganun kalambot, may stretch naman. Medyo may bite yung shell kahit na manipis siya. Creamy yung filling, tapos lasang-lasa mo yung pistachio flavor. Kita mo pa ngang may buong pistachio sa loob. May tamis, pero lasa mo pa rin yung chocolatey flavor. Nagustuhan namin to kasi parang may kakaibang lasa din yung toasted kataifi nila. So ang rating namin for Jessel's Dubai Chewy Cookie is highly recommended. Our next Dubai Chewy Cookie is from Anya Candy Shop.